Hi, welcome to today's session on the occasion of Women's Day. Firstly, I would request you if you can please introduce yourself.
I'm Dr. Shweta Sood. I'm currently working as Chief Commercial Officer, South Asia for Zamira, Australia. I'm in this industry from last 16 years. And previously, I have worked in various capabilities and various roles throughout my career as nutritionist, as product manager, as marketing manager, and national sales head. I am also executive member of PFI. I am secretary of VIPWA and member of VIP.
Thank you. So, firstly, wish you a happy Women's Day. And now I would like to have your message on this Women's Day.
As you know, the theme of this year is accelerate action. So I urge all the people to support women in their advancement.
I would like to understand about your personal journey. How has been your personal journey and any specific challenges that you have faced and how did you overcome that?
I started my career working as a veterinary officer when I completed my master's. So I moved to this dynamic industry in 2012. Um, and for a women, I think there are many challenges either on their personal front or on their professional front. This industry is said to be a male dominated industry, but it doesn't mean that you cannot work here. We have to understand the challenges and we have the knowledge and power to overcome that. Yes, there were many challenges when I joined this industry. On my personal front, my son was small, and in this dynamic poultry industry, the major thing is that we have to travel, we have to meet many people to understand. So that was one of the challenge. But yes, I have a very supportive family, and because of that, I was able to overcome that challenge in my career or in my path.
So, what would be your message for the young females who are just entering into the industry?
For females, our role model is Madam Anuradha Desai. So she is icon of the poultry industry. And this is Pankaja Munde, our Honorable Cabinet Minister for Dairy and Fisheries, Maharashtra. So, I like the way Madam is working towards animal husbandry department and uplifting the rural part of animal husbandry, like dairy. I mean, so that is basically a real women empowerment. I can see when I joined this industry, there were very less females who were working in poultry sector. But if I see now, I mean, new generation is upcoming into the business also. So it's basically a big shift in. If I talk about the industry also, I have seen many females who are taking up the role of now, like in commercial part, they are coming up. They are coming up in R&D. They are coming up in marketing and product management also. And new generation entrepreneurs are coming up. Ladies are taking up their legacy of the business from their previous generation. So it's a big change, which I think I am really seeing into this time.
How do you see the role of women 10 years down the line, especially into this particular industry?
Women, this livestock sector is divided into rural and into urban areas. So if I talk about the rural areas where women are working mostly into livestock rearing and management, there are Indian government along with animal husbandry department, they are providing loans and facilities for upcoming small scale businesses. So women are contributing towards the financial and economic development. And if I talk about the rural empowerment, there are few things like they should be given more microfinance and credit facilities, which is lacking as of now. Training on poultry management or livestock management that needs to be done for them. And down the line, I can see that there is a big chance to grow into rural livestock sector. If I talk about the urban sector, definitely, I mean, females are now they have broken the barriers of being into a particular role. Now they have moved out into different segments and different areas. And in our poultry sector, I can see that earlier the commercial part of in any company was being headed by males only, but now there are many commercial leaders that are upcoming into this particular role also. And I can see that in coming time, in next 10 years, there will be more women CEOs